Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with JJ. In this week's episode, I'm going to be making a very delicious Sephardic eggplant salad. This one can be served hot or cold as part of a meze platter or an appetizer or however you wish. I'm really excited to get started on this recipe and of course enjoy it in the end. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! Here I have one large eggplant. I'm going to peel it so it has a striped appearance. I'm cutting off the ends and then I'm keeping it up. I have two bell peppers here, a red one and an orange one. Feel free to swap for yellow if you wish. Remove the seeds and pith and cube them up. Now I'm mincing up 4 cloves of garlic. Get your Dutch oven hot, add some of the oil in, and I'm adding a half a teaspoon of Nigella seeds. Now I'm adding in our cubed eggplant. Stir it all up. Now you can see the seeds as we stir. Cook your eggplant for about 5 minutes and then add your bell peppers. And we'll add a little more olive oil. I'm using olive oil for flavor, but feel free to swap it. Get everything mixed up. After about 5 more minutes, we're adding in our minced garlic. Did you know that eggplants are not vegetables? This might surprise you. And no, it's not an April Fool's joke. We missed our chances for that a long time ago. Eggplants are actually berries because they grow out of the ovary of a flowering plant. They're fleshy fruit with seeds in the middle. So by definition, they're berries. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of our ground cumin, a half a teaspoon of our chili powder, add salt to your taste, and freshly ground black pepper. I'm adding a half teaspoon of smoked paprika, and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of date syrup. Feel free to use raw sugar instead. I'm adding 1 cup of crushed roasted tomatoes and a half a cup of water. Get all those flavors infused. Now we're going to cover it and let it cook on low for half an hour or until it's thickened to our liking. I'm chopping up our cilantro for our garnish. Now our eggplant salad is ready. And you can see I have a variety of deliciousness to go with this. It's that time again, everyone. I get to try our delicious Sephardic style eggplant salad. I'm going to enjoy it with a bit of pita. The first bite. Got a wonderful, sweet, savory combination, perfect level of seasoning, simply divine. And I made a couscous to go with this, with some roasted squash, dried fruits, nuts. You may also like to pair this with some hummus. So there you have it, everyone, another delicious recipe to add to your recipe booklets. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There's going to be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.